Did you see what Bitcoin just did right here? We haven't done this since back in 2015. It's time to pay attention. This is very serious. Bitcoin has been in a bloodbath. Everybody is panicking, but what's right in front of our eyes could change everything. If you're new here, my name is Steve. Started in the stock market a little over 20 years ago, and I just made every mistake in the book. It was painful. It was absolutely painful. And now my life's mission is to help you avoid all of those ridiculous and painful mistakes that I did. Over the past 20 years, I figured out how to dominate this game, and I'm here sharing that information with you. We've been in crypto right here on this channel since 2017, and our main purpose is to help you use your crypto to gain financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button. Here's what I want to share with you. What's in front of you right now is a chart that you will not be able to find anywhere else. It's our custom indicator. It's our Fibonacci moving average. It's a combination of the moving average and the Fibonacci. But you can see it's a beautiful chart. And one thing becomes abundantly clear right from the beginning. This bottom purple band is incredibly important, and we just peeked our head, dipped our toe right below it, right? We haven't done that literally since 2015. You can see in 2018, we didn't quite touch our purple line. In 2020, with the COVID crash, we didn't quite touch, came very close, held some beautiful support. But in 2015 was the only time that we dipped our toe below this level, okay? Now, as you can see, by looking back, anytime we came even close to this purple line, that was the bottom of the market. Make no mistake about it. 2015, we came down here. That's the bottom. And it even was so nice to us. Bitcoin was so nice to us. It gave us a second chance. Like, hey, if you missed that bottom, get this one. The problem is people did not buy here because they were waiting for much lower prices that never came. This is what happens at the bottom of every market. The high majority of the people, when we reach the bottom, say we're going a lot lower. And by the way, they're the same people that when we're up here say we're going a lot higher. The same people come down here and they yell loudly that we're going way lower. Not a little bit lower, way lower. So what happens is they have such a loud voice that everyone believes them. They drink the herd juice, they gargle it right up, and they believe it, and they never buy back into the market until we're usually way up here. That's when they usually buy back in, and then they get destroyed again. I want to help you avoid that, and I want to show you, just plain and simple, with the facts that are right in front of you, what's going on. So we're going to talk about these facts, we're going to break them down, and then I'm going to give my honest opinion. But here's another thing about this chart that I want to tell you, because this is very important. You could see our first peak, right? Back here in 2011, we went pretty far above this red line. And then we went less far ahead of this red line in 2013. And back here with our second, we went even less far above here. Meaning we were very, had a huge blow off top here and less of a blow off top and less of a blow off top, right? We're losing our momentum. And you fast forward to our top in 2018, you can see it was right at the red line, meaning you can see just using the naked eye that our power, our momentum is diminishing a little bit as the market matures. And that's what you should expect in a market that's relatively new that is maturing. Okay, so you can see that in our 2020 top, 2022 top, we didn't top at this red line. We actually topped at this green line. And then we held resistance at this orange line at our thing here. So what we're using here with the Fibonacci and the moving averages is support and resistance. You can see that as soon as we hold support here, we have to break this blue line and then we get to the white line. If we get rejected from the white line, we go to the blue line. If we go through the blue line, we go to the purple line. When we go back through the blue line, we go to the white line. When we go through the white line, we go to the orange line. It's very simple, right? When we go through the orange line, our next level of resistance, the green line. We didn't make it through the green line. We fell back through the orange line. We went to the white line, okay? It's very, very simple. This is a beautiful chart. and it comes in our indicator bundle. It comes in the all-in-one. So once you sign up to that, you'll get this, and you'll have it at your fingertips for the rest of your life, and it'll be a lifesaver. But back to the chart here. These beautiful lines of support and resistance. You can see we got resistance from this white line here. We fell to the blue line. It's very simple. We broke the blue line. We fell to the purple line. But what's in front of us right here, I want to make it very clear. What's in front of us right here is a wake-up call. Everybody's waiting for substantially lower prices. Everybody is saying, hey, you know, it's the war, it's the turmoil, it's the stock market crash, it's the interest rates, it's all of these things, and we're going to go much lower. It's going to be really crazy. But in reality, right in front of our nose, we could very well be at the bottom of the market. We have to take that into consideration just based on the facts. We've been at this purple line 1, 2, 3, 4 other times. The facts are those 4 times were the lowest prices in history. That's a fact. And here we are again. By the way, when we were here in 2020 and we were at this purple line, everybody called for lower numbers again. By the way, in 2018, when we were at this purple line, they all called for lower numbers. And by the way, on our channel, when we were right here and we were right here, we said that the bottom is likely in. We never put a certainty on it, but just using the facts in the charts in 2018, we expected a crash from 6K down to 3K. When we called that, everybody called us crazy. The herd, they wanted us to drink their juice. We're not having it. We're not about the herd juice. We just said the facts in the charts are we're probably going to fall to the 200-week moving average. Everybody thought we were crazy. We fell to the 200-week moving average, and once we did, everybody said we're going to drop way lower. It's the same people that said we were going to go higher here, and we're starting to see that pattern play out. I know what I'm telling you is not popular. I know what I'm telling you is you don't hear what I'm saying to you right now, but I'm going to tell you because I want to help you. These markets are tough to navigate, and it's not good to try to time the exact bottom. Right now, where we're at in prices, if you fast forward 5 years, you'll look like a superhero. You have to have that mentality to build wealth. You don't want to get rich tomorrow or the next day because that's going to burn you. But if you want to build wealth over 5 years, wake up and look at the charts that's right in front of you and make a sound decision for you and your family. This is not financial advice, but look at the chart. 5 times in history we've been at this level. They've all been pretty damn good. It's time to wake up. So I hope this has helped you. Hit that subscribe button. Also, we've got the courses that are on sale right now. Highly recommend you go pick those up. Sign up right here. I want to help you. I've been where you are. I've been in your shoes. I've made those recent mistakes that you did. The ones that you know about. Those recent mistakes, they cost you. I know how to take you from where you are now to where I am. And that's what I want to help you with this program. You can sign up right here. If you have any questions, you can email right here. Major discounts, but it's about to end. So you've got to take action. And I'll see you right back here on the next video. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.